close. Pull one out and eat it. Really is tasty enough in your mouth and it's not hard. Awesome. Bacon, just about there. Let's test another one. See if we made it all the way.
Almost. Oh, nice.
Instead of the regular elbow, I wanted to get like a little bit bigger noodle. So,
I thought you had to smack it on the. People say you have to smack the pasta on the wall, see if it sticks.
yeah, but you know, if it's your wall in your house, that's just gross. Like,
That
what are
is
you doing?
true.
Why are you throwing food at your own wall? All right, we've got a colander. We definitely have our gloves on.
That looks nice.
Holy shit, I've already burnt the hell out of myself for this episode.
We need to censor that.
I pour it slowly and let it drain because I don't want my noodles touching sink water. I also put it kind of off center so it drains easier.
Yep.
Glasses, not super helpful for this part. I'm gonna do it slow because sink water is gross. I don't want sink water coming out the bottom.
The thing is not big enough.
Nah, but that's drained enough. Alright, put it all back in the pot. Still using the gloves because crying on the inside because of the pain. Alright, we got that in there. Now we need the butter action.
More butter?
Oh, always more butter. You're confused that there's more butter? Always.
Can I try the bacon to make sure it's done? It doesn't look done. I should taste test it.
Butter. Leave it in there. More butter. We wouldn't want our stuff to be insufficiently buttered. I mean, that's terrible.
Whenever they ask you what kind of appetizers you want, you got a whole new map. Then you was on there.
Yes, sir. Alright.
No, I think it does.
It's cooled down, so still have some fingerprints left. I'm gonna melt my butter first. Then I'm gonna sauce it. Now normally, before I put this in the oven, I would put the bacon on it, but I want to leave the bacon as a afterwards thing. Alright. Butter's almost all melted. Let's get it all the way melted. Clumps of butter are okay, they're still awesome. It's better if it's melted. Alright, good enough. I'm going to pour all of this in there. Alright, I got to mix it around. Our cooking has gone so long that our AP Calculus has joined us now.
Yeah. don't get to have none.
In order to have macaroni and cheese, I need 10 derivatives, 10 integrals. Yeah, we're recording.
Obviously, I just told you. Okay, I'll make it.
All right, I'm gonna kind of smooth it out, kind of even. Look at how ooey gooey cheesy that action is. All right, Jessica, you watching? Oh, it looks like I accidentally forgot to get one little part of my thing here. So when you got picky eaters, you can just, portion it off a little bit. All right, so we got that. Let's turn this on. Alright, well, we're gonna skip the oven part. It doesn't look like it'll even fit in there. It doesn't matter anyway. Normally, I'd sprinkle some more on top and then throw it in the oven for a little bit. But I think it's fine. We don't need it. Alright, so now we've got some bacon.
So much.
Get some chopping. Alright. Whatever. Good enough. Doesn't seem like it wants to be chopped.
It's like
Now we can just pause till it's like the eating time.
It's good? Mm-hmm.